What if you could create professional spokesperson videos without hiring actors, buying cameras, or learning video editing? Imagine typing a script, clicking a button, and getting a realistic human presenter delivering your message perfectly. Sounds impossible? Today, I'm showing you a tool that's changing how businesses create videos. If you've ever tried creating marketing videos, you know the challenges. Hiring actors costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Video editing takes hours. Recording voiceovers is frustrating. And if you make a mistake, you start all over again. For many small businesses, video production simply isn't practical. That's where AI Spokesperson comes in. This platform creates realistic spokesperson videos using artificial intelligence. Simply enter your script, choose an avatar, select a voice, and let the system create a professional video for you. No camera, no actors, no editing skills required. The platform highlights AI presenters, voice generation, lip syncing, multilingual support, captions, and automated video creation. Step 1. Choose your presenter. Start by selecting a presenter that matches your brand and audience. Step 2. Add your script. Paste your script or generate one with the built-in AI script writer. Step 3. Customize. Choose your voice, language, background, and video format. Step 4. Generate. Click Generate and watch your AI spokesperson bring your message to life. The sales page states the workflow is based on selecting a presenter, adding a script, and generating the finished video automatically. Benefit number 1. Save time. Create videos in minutes instead of days. Benefit number 2. Reduce costs. No need to hire actors, studios, voiceover artists, or editors. Benefit number 3. Scale content. Create videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, websites, and ads. Benefit number 4. Reach global markets. Generate videos in multiple languages and accents. Benefit number 5. Commercial rights. Create videos for clients and build your own video agency. These benefits align with the product's stated features and marketing claims. Here are just a few ways people are using AI. Spokesperson, product demonstrations, sales videos, YouTube content, social media ads, website, welcome videos, training videos, client services. Whether you're a marketer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, coach, or entrepreneur, there's a huge opportunity here. If you're ready to create professional spokesperson videos without expensive equipment or complicated software, check out AI Spokesperson today. See why so many creators are using AI to produce high-converting videos faster than ever before. Click the link below to learn more and see if it's the right fit for your business.